Hi guys! Oh my god, I've missed you so much. I'm so sorry, ang dami kong utang na videos sa inyo. But for today's video, umpisahan natin with my current makeup obsessions. At dami-dami kong favorites na gustong i-share sa inyo sa mga susunod pang video. But for today, ito yung mga current kong ginagamit talaga. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you my current favorite makeup technique na palagi kong ginagawa every time I go live for my programs sa MOR Entertainment. Anyway, wala na masyadong chika. Let's start. So, umpisahan natin with the base. And you guys, I saw a set of products, face products sa Shopee na super affordable but really good. As in yung panglaban talaga ng bonggang-bongga. And it's from Sassy Lady. Sassy Lady, SACE Lady. But I'm gonna go with Sassy Lady. Let's start with the Sassy Lady Real Skin Primer. And you guys, what I love about this primer is it's brightening, moisturizing. Meron din siyang semi-oil control. Pero importante sa akin is meron siyang hyaluronic acid and nicotinamide. Yung nicotinamide, yun daw yung nagpapabrighten. And of course, yung hyaluronic acid, yun yung nag-moisturize or nagme-maintain ng moisture ng skin mo. At first, mukha siyang may white cast. Pero don't worry guys, magsiset yan. Mag-absorb yan sa skin and then it's gonna adapt to your skin tone. Plus, it's a primer. Tatakpan natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. Pero guys, ang bango niya. And para lang siyang moisturizer. Also gonna prep my lips using yung Detail Cosmetics Jelly Lips. Para plump yung lips natin for the lip product later. For foundation dye, take a look at this. This is the Sassy Lady Real Skin Foundation. So on one side of my face, I'm going to use it na gamit lang yung the warmth of my fingers. Now what I like about this foundation, you guys, is you can get a really nice natural looking finish. Yung coverage niya buildable, pero mas maganda siya pang, alam mo yun, everyday natural look na pantay yung skin tone mo, tanggal yung redness mo, and discoloration. Ayun, oh, natural looking lang siya. Ito yung walang foundation. Ito yung meron. The shade fits me perfectly. Pero alam mo yun, nai-even out yung skin tone ko. On this side, gagamitan ko ng beauty sponge. Kumuha rin ako ng beauty sponge sa Sassy Lady kasi gusto ko i-try. O, diba? Ang ganda rin. Parang natural look lang talaga siya, dye. Now, dye! Also got their concealer dye. Obsessed yarn! So, this is the Sassy Lady Real Skin Duo Concealer. Meaning, one side is a cream concealer and then the other one is a liquid concealer. Pero para masaya, one side of my face, I'm going to use the liquid concealer and then the other side, let's go use the cream concealer. Now, depende sa dami na nilagay mo, but this one can be a full coverage concealer. It can hide your acne scars, acne mark. Pero kung ako tatanungin, mas gusto ko yung liquid concealer, of course. So, here's the difference. Ito yung walang concealer. Ito yung my concealer. So, what I like to do is, I don't apply the cream concealer directly, but I warm it up sa fingers ko. And then, saka ko slowly but surely dab sa area. And you guys, etong nilagay ko is just for a, you know, somehow everyday natural look. Pwede mo siyang i-build up to a really full coverage. I'm not kidding. So to set my face, I'm going to use a loose powder. Yes, dai! Kinuha ko rin yung loose powder nila, dai! This is the Sassy Lady loose powder. It's also in black. It comes with a puff. Pero syempre, you don't use the puff, no? Pag full coverage, I tend to use yung wet sponge. Pero kung light sweep lang, alam mo, pang set lang talaga, I use a loose powder brush. So here is our base, you guys. I really love it. So guys, lahat ng products na i-mention ko, I will try to link it down below sa description box. I promise you I will not forget. Guys, for my eyebrows, my current obsession is from Fashion 21. Ito yung Auto Eyebrow Pen in the shade Dark Brown. It is so easy to use to fill in yung mga sparse area ng eyebrows mo. And it's pigmented. Makakontrol mo naman. Pero for a tamad person like me, this is so perfect. And then, very quick, suklay-suklay lang, ganyan-ganyan. For the eyes, you guys, I'm really super into like slightly mild emo eyes. Another makeup obsession is from Fashion 21, yung kanilang eyeliner. What I do is I just line my eyes close to my lash area and then magta-tight line ako and then I am going to like blend it with a brush. It doesn't have to be perfect kasi lalagyan din natin siya ng brown eyeshadow later. Trust the process, you guys. And then pag blend ko, as much as possible, nilalagay ko siya sa outer corners. Pink Flash Contour Powder, another one na gamit ko for the past couple of weeks. And what I love about this is ginagamit ko siyang eyeshadow and then at the same time, recta contour dye. I focus the eyeshadow sa outer corner and then saka ko i-blend all over my eyelids. Outer corners first. And then all over the eyelids. And then I just build it up. Depende sa gaano kagrabe ko gusto. Meron ng eyeliner, automatic, yung lower lash area natin. Dahil dun sa tight line. So I'm just going to embrace it. I am going to put eyeshadow sa aking eye bags. Hindi mo kailangan na like super precision to give us that sultry vibe. Just feel your eye bags and then ayan, ganyan-ganyan ka lang. And then, eto ka na nga. O, saka recta contour. Ganun. Ayan, contour-contour sa nose. And then, balik ulit sa eyeshadow. And then, balik ulit sa contour. Alam mo, yung mga mabilisang tricks that I do on myself. And then, I'm going to contour na rin dito. Diba, one product, ang dami nagawa. Eyeshadow, contour, rekta-rekta na, lalo na pag nagmamadali. So, for the eyes, no need for eyeliner. Diretso na tayo sa mascara. And current obsession ko from Vice Cosmetics, Super Mega Ultra Curl. And guys, this is my second tube. One of the best locally produced mascaras ever. It will give you the length. It will give you the volume. Syempre, depende on how you apply. I'm also going to apply mascara sa baba. So, eto na yung parehas yung eyes ko. May mascara. For my blush, you guys, I fell in love again with yung Vice Cosmetics BT21 liquid blush nila. Particularly, etong dalawang shade na to. This is Perfect Peach and Sheer Plum. Eto, si Sheer Plum. And then, eto, si Perfect Peach. Siyempre, konti lang yung nilagay ko. Pero buildable yung tint niya. And you guys, I love using these on days na wala akong base, wala akong foundation, or whatsoever, walang concealer. Just, you know, typical walang ginagawang day. And I forgot kung gaano siya kaganda. But now, I'm back. I'm obsessed with it again. Pero for the blush, kapag ka may base ako, I also fell in love again with Detail Cosmetics, yung kanilang Velvet Multi-Use. Particularly yung shade na Cotton. So, sobrang gamit ko dahil nung mga nakaraan. Nasira ko na siya. Kahit may base na ako or may powder na, I can still use it. Basta, light tap and then light sweeping motion. Now, for the lips, you guys, dami-dami kong ginagamit, yes, every day. Pero for the past couple of weeks, napansin kong like super lagi kong ni-reach out for. Don't be shook. It's from V-Line. Yes, eto yung kanilang Lip Cream Couple Edition. Particularly, etong shade na Mementos. I also love yung Kong TV. Kong TV is a really dark red shade. And then, si Mementos naman is, ayan, parang peachy vibe. For this look, parang gusto kong mag-ombre. So, I'm going to start with Mementos. This is a tint pala, guys. It's not a liquid lipstick. Pero it has the convenience of a doe foot applicator. Alam mo yun. Kaya, and then, ilagay natin yung Kong TV sa middle. These are really good tints, you guys. I swear. And then, i-blend natin yung outer lining using a wet sponge.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
Guys, so this is the finished look, current technique obsession, and my current full face makeup favorites. Pero alam mo, sa lahat ng showcase ko, ang pinaka-favorite ko talaga was the base. I really love my base right now. It looks natural, but again, buildable yung coverage na, I swear to God. Pinaka-gusto ko talaga sa kanya, guys, is ang affordable niya. And the next favorite ko is the lip combo. Ganda yung V-line. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. My first video for 2022. Abangan niyo, we are back on track. Kaya don't forget to subscribe. Tapos, i-click mo yung bell button para mano-notify ka in case meron akong bagong upload. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!